In our own backyard, Donner Summit, we had a chance to tool around with two of our old-time favorites, Shawn and Tom Burt. Shawn is one of those guys that never ceases to amaze us. You have to stop and wonder, if Farmer wasn't snowboarding, would he be working at or robbing gas stations?
Going down now.
My name is Tom Burt. I'm 30 years old. I've been snowboarding for, I don't know, 13 years, I guess. At Donner Summit, I've been snowboarding there since 1985, so 10 years. What brings me to Donner Summit are the great lines that are skiable, really steeps, great steeps and great airs, that easy access backcountry. what's going through my mind when it's really steep. Hopefully I've seen what's there. If I haven't seen, I'm scared. So I'm cautious, and then hopefully once it rolls over, I can see where I'm going. I have 5 cars. Well, 4.5 actually.
What's the total sum of money you paid for all 5?
$1,010.
Total.
Total for all my cars, $1,010.
How did you do this?
Luck, I guess. Actually, I drive junkers. It works.